Today, we are diving into an important update for manufacturers in the realm of legal metrology. The Bureau of Indian Standards has recently released the Material Measures of Length, Quality Control Order for the year 2023. What's particularly crucial for us to discuss is the mandatory BIS certification for measurement tapes. We will be addressing the following 5 topics during today's discussion. Welcome to MindSync, your compliance guard. I'm Baston Benny, and you're watching MindSync's BIS series. MindSync is a professional organization providing compliance, consulting, and advisory services. Now, when we talk about measurement tapes, there are two distinct Indian standards under the Quality Control Order that we need to pay attention to. The first standard involves woven metallic and glass fiber tape measures, and the second standard pertains to steel tape measures. Now, let's examine the effective date, which is 6 months from the notification of this order, dated the 21st of November 2023. For micro enterprises, it's 12 months, and for small enterprises, it's 9 months. Now let's dive into product specification. Starting with woven metallic and glass fiber tape measures, the Indian Standard, Part 1, lays down specific requirements for woven metallic and glass fiber tape measures intended for use where it is not possible to employ rigid measure of length. It does not apply to high-precision tape used by industry in the field of mechanics or geodesy. Next, we will look into the supplementary devices for length measurement, such as fixed or movable hooks, rings, handles, tips, winding devices, and verniers, are intended to enhance and extend the utility of the measuring instrument. Next, we will look into the nominal length. A fabric or plastic scale shall be manufactured in nominal lengths of 0.5 meters, 1 meter, 2 meters, 3 meters, 4 meters, or 5 meters, or multiples of 5 meters, provided that the maximum nominal length does not exceed 100 meters. Now coming to the material. For woven metallic and glass fiber tape measures, materials must be strong, stable, and resistant to atmospheric conditions. They should comply with strict standards, ensuring minimal variation in length with temperature changes and resilience to tension fluctuations. These criteria guarantee the tape measure's durability and accuracy in diverse environments. Next standard is steel tape measures. This Indian Standard, Part 2, covers the requirements for steel tape measures which are used for measurements where the use of rigid length measures is not convenient or practicable. Next, we will look into the supplementary devices for length measurement, such as fixed or movable hooks, rings, handles, tips, winding devices, and verniers, are intended to enhance and extend the utility of the measuring instrument. Next, we will look into the nominal length. The steel tape measures shall be made in nominal lengths of 0.5 meters, LM, 2 meters, 3 meters, 4 meters, or 5 meters, or an integral multiple of 5 meters provided that the maximum nominal length shall not exceed 200 meters. Now coming to the material. The materials for woven metallic and glass fiber tape measures must be strong, stable, and resistant to atmospheric conditions. They must meet specific criteria, maintaining minimal variation in length within plus or minus 8 degrees of the reference temperature and ensuring the variation in length doesn't exceed the maximum permissible error with a plus or minus 10% change in tension. This ensures durability and accuracy in normal usage conditions. Now that we've covered the critical aspects of BIS certification for measurement tapes, let's delve into the actual process of obtaining BIS certification. It's an essential step for manufacturers to ensure their products meet the necessary standards. So, without further delay, let's get into the certification process. First and foremost, documentation is key. Before you even submit your application, make sure you have all the necessary paperwork in order. This is the foundational step to initiate the certification process. Next up, there's the crucial factory inspection. A BIS officer will conduct a thorough assessment of your production process, quality control measures, and testing capabilities. This step is vital to ensure that your manufacturing practices align with the standards set by the Bureau of Indian Standards. After the inspection, sealed samples of your product are sent to a BIS-approved laboratory for testing. This independent testing phase verifies whether your product meets the stringent criteria set by BIS. Finally, if your product successfully passes all testing parameters, congratulations. The BIS authority will grant you the coveted certification. It's a mark of quality and compliance with the established standards. Now, you might be wondering, how can MindSync assist me in this process? Well, here's the answer. At MindSync, we understand that navigating the certification process can be complex and time-consuming. That's where we come in. We're here to support you throughout the entire certification journey, ensuring a smooth and efficient process. Our team is well versed in the intricacies of BIS certification, and we are committed to making the process hassle-free for you. Partnering with MindSync means you have a dedicated ally, guiding you from documentation to the final grant of certification. We prioritize your success and adherence to quality standards. So, if you are looking for a reliable partner to streamline your BIS certification journey, look no further than MindSync.